Right, guys, welcome. This is the full guide to the Canopy Testnet. And before I begin, first of all, what is Canopy Network, or what is their stuff? What does their stuff entails? Canopy Network is a blockchain infrastructure project focused on enabling easy deployment of sovereign application, specifically layer 1 blockchains. So it provides AI native Web3 framework called the Canopy Stack that lets developers launch customizable independent blockchain quickly, often in minutes, while connecting them in a shared recursive security ecosystem. So this platform literally allows you to create your own blockchain without all this code, without any bullshit. You just create your own with just their template that's already assigned. So they already run the code for you. They already just like vibe coding. But this time around, you're not coding, you're not doing anything. You just use AI. You just let Canopy run them with their templates. You understand me? So the testnet started February 12th and the project has raised $1.2 million. So this kind of project don't need large fundings. They don't need big fundings to run their thing. They've already done that for you people. So all you just have to do now is to participate in their testnet and talk about the project, and also join their weekly draw on Discord and talk in their Discord to earn roles and earn points. So as we begin, this is the testnet. As you can see, I have 17,000 points already. So this is the testnet. Once you click on the link, I'm going to share the link down. Once you click on the link, this is how this is where it's going to take you. This is where it's going to take. It's going to bring all the stacks to you. It's going to bring all the stacks to you people. So these are literally all the tags. So I've done majority of them and I've gotten most of the badges. So this is the reason why some of them are being ticked. But I'm going to explain them to everyone. So this is the testnet. The first task here, which is this: connect EVM Wallet on Launchpad. I've done that already. So you check out the Launchpad. Once you click on check out, what you do now is check out the Launchpad, which is here, just down right here. So it takes you to the site. It already has 209,000. So you might be a bit late or not late to the party. Nobody knows how the testnet is going to run for, and how many people they are planning on having on their testnet, or what the particularly the project is trying to build, how big the project is really trying to build. Of course, every project wants to build big. So once you open the Launchpad, my wallet is already connected, because this is it down here. You can follow the mouse. This is it down here. This is my wallet, and it's showing 0 canopy. Yeah, it's showing 0 canopy because I've staked all my canopy. I'm going to reach that place and I'll explain everything to you people. So it's showing 0 canopy because I've staked all my canopy. So, and there are two ways. There are only two ways in the project platform that I'm aware of to earn Canopy points. There are two ways to earn Canopy points. The first one is by going to the Faucet side. Once you click on Faucet, it takes you here. You are going to connect your wallet and all. Once you connect your wallet and all, Canopy recommends you create wallets with using their own particular wallet. So you can still be your EVM wallet, but you create a wallet using Canopy Wallet. Canopy Wallet will help you with that. You are going to see a way to create the wallet, and you connect your wallet and you create a new one. So there are two ways to earn Canopy points. The token, I mean. So the first one is clicking on Faucet. After clicking on Faucet, you press claim test funds. This token, it's not real funds. This is just for testing, to test their platform, because this is testnet. Testnet really means you are testing their platform for the project. This is a bad time for my network to be poor. So you try to claim. That's just literally it. You see, you've already claimed the Faucet. So now that it's been claimed, it's meant to appear here. They will give about typical, I think 50 to 100. One of them. It's most likely 100 most times. So the reason why it's not showing here, it will eventually show, but it might just take a while, probably a minute or so. So we are going back now to connect our wallet. My wallet is already connected because this is my wallet here, that's one that is here, and this on that wallet one that is here. So my wallets are basically connected. It's going to tick on the stuff. If you go back to the question where we came from before we went to the launchpad, you see connect EVM wallet on launchpad, and there's on that one to testnet faucet claim only. That's one way. You get 50 points for that. You get 50 points for connecting your wallet. You get 50 points for connecting your wallet on Canopy. That's it. The faucet is the one we just did now to claim this token. That's it. You've already claimed your from the faucet. So by doing that now, I'm going to add plus 50 to my wallet, but I won't get plus 50 for this because I've already connected my wallet in the past. So my token now is going to increase to about 600 if I should refresh the page. But we'll get to that. You'll see that eventually all the tax counts. So the next one now is to buy or sell a virtual token daily. And the next one is to launch a virtual token daily. Claim your Testnet token daily. You see that there's no daily in this one. That's just a one-time thing. Once you claim your wallet, and that's just it. So you typically, without even doing much stress, without doing anything, you can basically earn 250 points without even blinking an eye. All you just have to do is claim the Testnet token, buy or sell a virtual token, and launch a virtual token daily. You have to do it daily. So we've already claimed the Testnet token. Now it's either to buy a virtual token or sell a virtual token or launch a virtual token. What I do is this. You can basically go to the place. You can press buy a virtual token, or you can press launch. These are the links under it. They are just under it. So what I basically do is I launch my own token and buy my own token rather than buy others token. Of course, you can buy others token if you have lots of Canopy points. The traders, people that are trading to get lots of Canopy points, Canopy Testnet tokens, which is not worth anything at the moment and might be worth something in the future. So what I basically do is launch my own token, then buy my own token. So I just claim the two from my own token rather than buy someone. But if you like to buy someone else's token, I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's go directly to the link. Once you click on buy virtual token, so the site loads. Once again, you open the launch pad as you did the first time. So I'll wait for it to launch. 2.7 billion Canopy token. 2.7 billion Canopy token has been traded. That's kind of a lot. So that's to show you that they have an active community members. We have 16,000 builders. We have 209,000 users, 16,000 devs. That's 16,000 people are creating their tokens every day. 376,000 launch. Imagine, out of 16,000 people, 376,000 have launched, and those people do not even code for one bit. That's the fascinating thing about Canopy. So back to showing you how to claim to buy a virtual token. That's from someone. So once you click on buy a virtual token, it basically takes you here. Once it takes you here, you can see this is the first one, Seaport Gamer Barag. Yeah, and you can just scroll down and you see the rest. You see other tokens. These are other tokens you could buy. These are other tokens you could buy, Ducklings, Final Fantasy. But let me tell you something. You cannot buy these tokens that you see here. Why can't you buy these tokens that you see here? You might ask. Why can't you buy these tokens that you see here? That's because you see this bar right here. You see this bar right here. This green bar that the mouse is on top. See this green bar right here. This green bar right here is trying to tell you that Canopy sets a 50,000 cap on each market. That means once 50,000 Canopy has been traded on the coin, you cannot further buy or sell. All they do now is just to take profit, and that's just the end for it. So now where will you not get Canopy tokens to buy? You cannot buy the ones that the green bar has been full, like I said, and almost everything here the green bar has been full. As you can see, Blue Lotus, Starnet, and everything. So what you just do now is you go to trending, because these tokens that you see here that are showing are all graduated tokens. Now you go to trending. Trending are the ones that are coming, that are trying to build up. As you can see now, the bars are not full in many of them here. You see this Azu right here. You see Azu is building up to the bar. So you can just literally bet on it. You see now they've given me 100 Canopy tokens. Like I said, there are two ways to earn from the project. The first one is to get token from the Faucet, while the second is to trade. And this is how you trade, by buying and selling of your tokens. So what's going, you see that the bar of some of these tokens are not full. As you can see, they are not full. That's why they are called trending. It means they are promising that they could be full. So I'll be buying ASU just to show you the people, but I won't buy much because my Canopy token is not much and we are going to launch our coin. So what you do now is, once you cite the token that you want to buy, you click on it. After you click on the Canopy token that you want to buy, it takes you here. You see the momentum is just up. It's just up. That's to show you that it's strong. People are buying. That's it. 10 canopies. I'm just going to buy 10 canopy of this because we launch our own token and I'll show you it. So if I'm to buy this token, automatically I'll be able to claim this tax that is right here. Don't forget that. I'll be able to claim this tax that is right here. And most times I just launch my own token and buy my own token. I'm still going to do that. It doesn't give me twice, it's just once, but I'll do it just for the sake of this. So once you press them, we're buying just 10 of this token. So we are projecting now that the token is going to reach full price. So who knows what my token price will be, because I'm buying it very super early. So in the next few hours, minutes, or days or weeks, my token would have already be full, or it would have doubled. So that's the aim of buying this token. So we just wait for the time, transaction pending. Of course, it takes about some seconds. You see it when we do our own token and you buy our own token. You see how it takes some seconds to run some of them too. So that's it. But I've automatically bought the token. If you go back here now, my 100 token now has already become 90. Now I already have 90 because 10 has already gone. If you like to check your token, you just click on balance above your wallet. That's if you like to check the tokens you bought and tokens you bought. So back to this place. As you can see, my points has increased. It is now from 558, it is now 608. But why didn't all this rest tick now, despite the fact that computer tax? Well, I think Canopy is experiencing some lags, and lags are normal in testnet phase, of course, because this is the testing phase. Remember that this is a testing phase. It is not mainnet, it is not live yet. So this is practically the testing phase, and in the testing phase, lags are completely normal because they are trying to test their product and stuffs. You get, so you might have some few crashes here and there. Just know that it's normal. They are still testing their products, and the project adds so much potential. So you just have to be prepared for things like, I'm just going to reload the page for a second. So back to the Azu. This is the Azu, and I've already bought 10 of the token. So now I want to create our own token. If I was to click, okay, that's still refreshing. You can pass this route. Once you are in the Azu place, you can just press create L1 chain, or if you prefer the traditional way, you can go back. So I had D2 on stable network. Now I'm back. So as you can see, all the tags are clicked. I bought and sold virtual token, which is the AZA up above here. I've claimed the faucet. I've connected my wallet. So I was having little tweaks with my network, but now I'm back. So I've connected my wallet, testnet, and bought and sold. Now it's time to launch our token. We can just follow the traditional way and launch an L1 token. Launch an L1 here. You can press that way, or once you have found your way here, you just press create a L1 chain. So anyway, it will still take you to the same place. So now they'll press launch your blockchain. Press let's go, click on let's go, let's go. So now in this place is choose your programming language. I know when people see Go, Python, TypeScript, Kotlin, be like, no, I cannot code, I cannot do. Thanks to Canopy, you don't have to do that. Once again, I'm telling you people, you do not have to code, you do not have to do anything. Canopy has done it for you. You click on any programming language of your choice, like anyone. Python, Go. I think Python is the most difficult. We click on Python, and let's continue. So it takes you to fork on GitHub. What you have to do in this place now is the thing now is that I've connected my GitHub, but in this place where they said select repository, you will have to connect your GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you have to create one, but that's easy to do. You just sign up with your Google and you'll be able to connect it and set up your repository. So click on repository. You have to find a way around it. So that's it. Connect your repositories. Continue. So what do we name our token? What do we name our token? Let's name it on-chain corpse. On-chain. I like using virtual keyboard sometimes, sometimes just do. And sometimes I can use my normal keyboard. So on-chain corpse, I doubt anyone has the name. On-chain corpse, so it's gone. So the ticker, what could be the ticker? Let's use ONCC. I don't think anybody took ONCC. Wow. ON, okay. ON, let's use ONC. Let's use CO. That's just in case. COR. Okay. On-chain core. On-core. So that is my token I'm trying to create here. Halving days. You know what halving is now? Bitcoin halving that does every. So let's just say about halving is every 30 days. Yep. So basically halving means your token halves every time, which kind of brings the demand up and stuff. So reduce the supply to about 1 million. So I would like the supply to be 5 and 50% or 20%. So that's how it is. So now that we've done the main info, now it's time to describe our chain. What exactly is the blockchain about? Well, let's say just for teaching. So invest wisely in any token you want to create just for teaching. Just for teaching. So you get a logo from your device. Just select a logo. So connect any of your social links. Connect any of your social links. I do use my X. I think everyone knows my X by now. BJ Vaults. BJ Vaults. So connect your X. I use my X link. So now I told you that we're buying our token. You're going to see it here. So let's buy about 39 of our token. Please note that anytime you buy a token, you are going to pay a fee of 10 Canopy. That's it here. This is the fee right here. 10 Canopy for fee, creation fee. can go up again and review your stuff. You can go up. We use Python. The name of our chain is on chain corps. The ticker is on call. 30 days. We set our branding just for teaching and all. Then you pay and launch your token. This takes approximately 120 seconds, which is about 2 minutes to create. So the token has been created. Congrats to everyone that followed up the process. So after the token has been created, we just buy our token. Let's say we are buying 40. That's the rest of the token. Let's just buy about 40. So you just click on the normal process. So now we bought Azu 40. Then confirm. So the same timing, 40 seconds, your token gets bought. You can actually close this page, and if you want to track your progress, you just follow this mouse and come here, 5 transaction, come here and just track it there. So that's where you can just basically track. That's that for creating token, buying and selling token, claiming Faucet, and it. So now I was in 17,550 something, and currently I'm now on 17,808. That's because I've done the 250 tax, which you can just do every day and claim your token. I told the glitches are normal. So this is the leaderboard. If you like to track your progress, as you can see, I'm currently ranked 2,522. I'm already in top 3,000. So keep going. And in the mind share, I'm the second. I'm ranked second. So in the mind share, you just have to create quality content and post on your Twitter or X account. So that's just, you connect your Discord. In the Discord, there will be some other time for that. So in the Discord, you just connect your Discord and you grind for the world builder role, which is level 100, which is the max level 100, and you'll be earning 20 canopy per day. No one currently adds the role. No one currently has the role, but there are so many people that are so close to the role. So you could be the first. You can grind for it. So that's it. Have eligible role in Discord. That's it. So, and for this is an NFT mint right here. You can only mint this NFT once you have 1,000 points. You cannot mint it if you don't have 1,000 points. So in 2-3 days of consistently grinding Canopy, you will have 1,000 points. So just 2-3 days, you will have 1,000 points, and you'll be able to mint the NFT. And if you don't know how to mint the NFT, just tap on details. And once you tap on details, you see 1,000 NFT and and collaboration winner. You win, and you don't just get to mint the NFT. You also get a badge for minting the NFT. So you do a weekly check-in. Before it was daily check-in, now they've switched it to weekly check-in for the same amount. So that's to show you that the project is gradually wrapping up, if that even counts. But the project is gradually wrapping up. So these are the badges here. For 1,000 points, you earn 1,000 rewards and so many other badges. We have the world builder Discord role. We have the pioneer role. Some from Signal is level 50 role. Like that, go up. World builder is 100, so go up. So if you enter Canopy Mindshare top 10, you get this. So once you join their community on their X, that's easy to do. You just go over to their X and join their community. It's not hard. Join their community, you connect your Discord and all. So create a post about Canopy. Once you create a post about Canopy, you come over here and post the link. Once you create a post about Canopy, you get over here, post the link, submit and claim. You claim 10 extra. That's on that 10 extra. You add Canopy to your bio and claim on that 10 extra. You join their Discord and you claim 5+. You follow them on X and you claim +5. So basically